Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to save CapCut video into your mobile gallery, the ultimate guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about CapCut mobile editing app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to save CapCut video in gallery, the ultimate guide. So after you have done with your proper editing, next thing you need to do is first thing click on here for you to set the resolution of your video. Then right here you can decide to produce your video to be 1080p or 2K or 4K video resolution. So I'm going to take this to 4K resolution, and we can also increase the frame rate or leave it in 30 frame rate per second. Leave this one right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on export right here. So after a successful exporting your video, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. Then take you to different option here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe and locate your phone gallery. So this is my gallery right here. I'm going to click on that. So just like so, I have my video in my gallery. So for me to check on the video, I can exit from here and head over to my gallery. So I'm going to click on here to view my video from my gallery. So this is my file right here. And then by the time I refresh, so just like so, we have the video right now in my gallery. So basically, this is how you can simply save your CapCut video into gallery, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really find this tutorial useful. If you find this tutorial useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about video editing with CapCut mobile app. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.